As we celebrate International Women's Day this year, we're really excited about our ongoing 5-year partnership with Dress for Success. Dress for Success is an amazing charity that helps to empower women in everyday work and life. When we invest in women to help them get back on their feet after serious setbacks, we also invest in their families and the community. When women feel safe, seen and supported, they have the best opportunity to thrive.
Our partnership has been invaluable. Over the years, Forever New has raised over $100,000 for Dress for Success. The funds that Forever New has raised has meant that more than 250 women have benefited from a clothing and styling session. And over 500 women have been able to access interview support and workshops.
I was struggling to find a job. My therapist told me about Dress for Success, and that was when my life changed. So after this styling session at Dress for Success, I felt a different person, very confident, powerful, with a big smile on my face, and I managed to secure the job.
Being a woman, it's not an easy thing. You're a mother, you're a sister, and you're an employee, you're a friend. So you have to play a role of so many parts. You have to juggle with everything. It's not easy, especially when you go through a lot of emotional obstacles, emotional challenge. That takes a huge toll on me personally, on every woman. Dress for Success came in a great help. They made me feel welcome, made me feel confident again.
The whole process is all about them. So by the time they leave, they feel confident, their head's held high, and as a volunteer, I float out of the organisation when I finish my day on a cloud because I really feel like I've made a difference to people.
Dress for Success is a great example of how we can harness the power of fashion to uplift and include women. It's about providing a moment where they can access some self-care, and that's vital in building back your confidence after serious setbacks and challenges. We are thrilled to announce this International Women's Day that we'll be giving 10% of all our sales to Dress for Success.